Dylan here. You may not know me, you may know me, but whatever. This just came in the mail, the GeekOut Signature Edition. It has 2 femtos inside, which is, it's available in one of those really high-end, $5,000, $10, that kind of stuff, but there were only 16 of these. There are 32 made, but only 16 were available to the public. And I'm very excited. We're going to unbox this now. I don't have a fancy knife, but this will do. You're gonna edit this part out, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, just get this open. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? LH Labs. Specifications, you know, if you want to read that, you can read it. LH Labs. Okay. Moment of truth, moment of truth. Wow, isn't she a beaut? Wow.
Yeah, there you go.
Specifications you can take.